Hello friends, this is the fiber laser spot welder we use now. This can spot weld the battery cell cable. Can also remove the back cover and weld the lens ring of the back cover. This power can also be set. The maximum power is 180 W. This is the water tank. Water is needed to circulate heat dissipation. Let's take a look at its background parameters. Fiber laser spot welding machine. Each spot can be set to a different power. Then let's take a look at it. It can set 8 different powers. The blue spot on the left. It's a lithium plate for spot welding positive electrode, and the power needs to be smaller. On the right, this is a negative nickel sheet. The power can be higher during spot welding. Let's show you the effect. Spot welding is very fast. Now we can see the effect after spot welding. The back clearly shows the left welding point, which is smaller than the right welding point. This is the same as the standard of the original battery. The power of the left and right welding points of the original battery is also set differently.